G'day folks, welcome to the show. Today's episode, who knows, I've got some renovations to do and then I'm going to zip out for a ride, so grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show, whatever it may be. Oh yes, gotta love running through a tunnel. Wow, winter in Tassie. So tonight we're heading for -3. Supposed to get to 12 degrees C today. I think it's managed to get to 8 sort of mid-afternoon, so if it doesn't, I don't think it's getting any warmer today. 8 degrees is just about going to pull it up, but look at it, it's a beautiful day, just bloody cold. Don't know what's going on with all this bullshit traffic. Look at that, who knew you had traffic jams in Launceston, Tasmania? You know why it's so busy out here, because there's a Bunnings. Saturday, sun's out, shit to do. But to Bunnings first. That's how it works, isn't it? Where was I? Oh, the weather. Yeah, so I've been pretty lucky. I've managed to get out on the bike at least every fortnight, whether it be this or the Triumph. I was hoping to get a ride in yesterday, but that didn't happen because it was just shit. But there's no rain today, and yeah, it's a bit cool, but I got a bit of gear. I'm on tour and bike behind the screen, it's not that bad. I'm not going to whinge about it. Just want to explain it to those that I watch some of my mainland counterparts that live up north, and listen to them whinge about the weather, and it just cracks me up how cold it is. They're getting their lows are still higher than our highs for the day. Always gives me a giggle. But anyway, heading into summer, looking forward to some warmer weather, that is for sure. We definitely won't complain about it when it gets here. Starting to think about next year's trip and what that's going to look like. There's the crew that I usually head away with. There's a major birthday, falls on the weekend of the trip away, so they may be a bit light on numbers. I don't know whether I might do a solo adventure bike week. Maybe have a crack at doing a whole leg of the by roads, or maybe go to Tulla and just stay there and do some exploring in and around that area for 3 or 4 days. Make for a bit of fun. So we'll pop up to the mother-in-law's place, and a couple of little jobs I need to do. Doing a reno out there. So we got those sorted out. And head for a bit of a ride somewhere. That's the plan. Anyway, I'll deck in there, get them done, and then I'll get back to you. First job, had to fit this door jamb, which I think I've got sorted, so we'll just check it. Perfect, well done. Okay. Second job was fit the blind. Oh. Might have f***ed that up. Give us a sec. Alright. That would be an issue. Alrighty, so I think I fixed the blind. Beautiful. Another one done. Oh, and here's the last job, is to pull contact out of this cupboard. Whoever put this in here, you. Alright, I'll get stuck into this one. Alright, that's that done. Another job done, and I've had to go at putting one of the shelves liners in, and because they're 30 centimetres short, so I have to get some more. That's okay. Alright, that's that job done. Oh, once I get up. Well, as per usual, those jobs took me longer than expected. And the clouds rolled in and it looks as though it's going to rain now. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to head back home, hopefully beat that rain, and have a beer, I believe. Yes, it's raining over the other side of the river there. Anyway, thanks for joining us tonight. It was a short, sharp one, but summer's coming for us all in Australia, so it won't be long and we'll be full of riding content again. So thanks again for joining us. It must be time for a beer. Let's go. And here's the rain. Ah, good night.